So now let's start working with our themes. We need to create a light theme and a dark theme. So let's go on ahead and start our work. So if we come here back to the lib, let's right click and then new directory. First let's create the providers. We need this, and then let's come back here again. Let's create another new directory, which let's name this as themes. Okay, and then inside themes here, let's right click and then create a new .dot file. Let's name this as my themes like that. So inside here, let's create our themes class. Let's say class my themes. So inside this class, let's create a static method. Say static theme data. So this theme data, let's give it some required arguments. So we put curly brackets and let's say required. We need a boolean. This boolean, let's name it as is dark theme. So this will only check if we will check whatever we are passing here, if it is true or false. So that will tell us if it's a dark theme or white theme. So let's also give it a required argument of a build context like that. And then let's start building our themes here. So here we need to return a theme now. So first, before we return anything, we are going to check this value. So here we have to check so if it is true, we are going to return our dark theme here. So here, if this method is dark theme is true, we are meaning we have to return a dark theme. In the else, we have to return another theme data. So here, inside here, we'll put our dark theme. Inside here, we'll put our light theme. So let's start with our dark theme. So we can just bring this down here and then start making our dark theme here. So first we'll need the scaffold background color. So for the scaffold background color, I've already gone ahead and got dark colors for ChatGPT, for ChatGPT's dark theme. So that is going to be, first let's write a const color. It's a color. So this scaffold background color for ChatGPT is 0x. We have FF343541. So this is a dark scaffold background color for ChatGPT. And then now let's put our primary. Let's go step by step, and then if you feel that I'm slow, you can just there's an option for faster speaking on Udemy. So we are going to go step by step on the theme here. So we have a primary swash. So this will be colors dot paper, and then we have a primary dark color. So this, let's give it our colors dot deep purple. Next, let's give it a we might need some dividers, so let's give it a divider color. So for the dark theme, we'll give it a colors dot gray. And then what else we going to need? Actually, for the dark theme for the divider, we'll give it a colors.white. And then the disabled color, we will need that. This will be our colors.gray. And then for the card color, we know that we need the card color, which I've also gotten the card color for the dark theme of the ChatGPT. So this one, let's also say const color. Then we'll put our color inside here. So that is a 0xFF444654. This is a ChatGPT's dark card color. And then let's also get the canvas color. So for the canvas color, we'll give it a colors.black. What else we need here? Let's see. We will also need the brightness. So the brightness, this is a dark theme. We know that is a brightness.dark. And then we also need an upper theme. So this one is going to be upper theme. And then here we are going to put our ChatGPT's dark color. So let's give it a color. And then we have the color up here. Let's copy it and then paste it here. We can add the comma there, and then let's add the const modifier to remove that error. And then next we are going to have the button theme. Let's button theme. So for the button theme, we just get the theme dot of context, which is why we are passing the context up there dot button theme, and then we'll copy with, say, color. Let's say color scheme, and then we say constant of color scheme. This will be dark, like that. So just like that. So this will be our dark theme. And then in the light theme, for quick for time saving, we need just to copy all of this and then come down here and paste it. So we need to change a few things here. For the scaffold background color, this is a light theme, so let's change here. Let's get our colors.gray, and then let's maybe give it a shade. Let's say shade something like shade 300. Yeah, that will work. This will remain like this. And then the divider color, let's change it from white to black. And then the disabled color, we can leave it gray. And then the card color, let's also change. Let's get colors.gray. Let's give it maybe a 50, something like that, the shade. And then what else here on the canvas color? Let's see, what can we give it on the canvas color? Let's copy this gray color. Copy the card color, let's change it, let's give it a white. And then the canvas color, let's give it this gray color. And then here the brightness, let's give it a light. We know it's a light theme. And then here the button theme, the color scheme here, let's change this to light. So that's about it. So to format the code, we will hold Control on our keyboard and then press A, and then right click here and then format code. So now you can read it better. So this will be our theme, but first let's also remove this debug mode. We go back to our main.dat, and then we can say debug show check mode banner, we can say false. Then let's hot restart. So the banner is gone. So we can end this video right now. In the next one, we are going to implement our theme.